Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are answering a subscriber's question. So if you have other questions about the gear I use, please feel free to leave those in the comments below. Today we're talking about eating utensils. So the first one here is a Toaks titanium polish bowl spoon, long-handled. This is my go-to spoon. I have been using it for about 5 years. I have lost 2 of them and replaced it with an identical match. Love their spoon. Second one I got here was from the camping section in Walmart. It is a Ozarks Trail plastic long-handled spoon. It is about the same weight as the titanium spoon. Got this for my younger son when he comes on trail. I recently got this Peak Refuel Spork titanium. Is a little bit lighter than my Toaks titanium spoon, and it's got the spork tines. Now I haven't actually taken the weight of those to know which one is lighter. It just feels lighter in the hand. So I'll be trying that out this year. I recently was given this Uko knife, fork, and spoon set with a mess kit. Gonna be trying that out this summer, but I don't know that I would use those while I'm eating backpacking meals due to the length issue, but be interesting. This I received in a outdoor kit over this last year, the Morsel Fork It, Spoon It, Shape It. It's interesting. It's got a nice design. Again, not sure I would use this in a backpacking meal pouch due to the length. On the other hand, its bigger brother, the Morsel Spork, has a similar design but much longer and much beefier. It only weighs 0.85 ounces, weighing with a length of 10.5 inches. This I could see using on an upcoming backpacking trip. And the last thing is this bamboo fork and knife kit. While I don't know that I'll take it backpacking, it is going to end up in my car camping kit. It is from To Go Wear. It is super ultralight, and it also super huge quality. So I'm interested to try that in this next season. If you have any other suggestions or you have other questions regarding utensils while on trail, please leave those in the comments below and I will get back to that. If you liked this content today, please consider subscribing to the channel, like the video, share it with others, and hit the subscribe bell. Until next time, see you on trail and happy eats.